Despite the car accident that we had, my commitment in giving you a very good show remains. Nagkabanggaan sa daan, pero tuloy ang laban. Kaya naman, wala bang palakpakan dyan? Wala bang masigabong sigawan dyan? Maraming salamat. Beauty is not always about having a pretty face. It's all about having a pretty mind, having a pretty heart, and having a pretty soul. Standing before you is a 24 years old stunner, all the way from Guevara, La Paz, Tarlac, a graduate of Teresa Motel and Restaurant Operations in Zurich Colleges Incorporated, cum laude. Totoo po yun. But tonight, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce myself. This is Billy La Bitanyada in real life, the first representative of province of Tarlac and 8 Showtimes Miss Q&A, and the lucky girl who was able to cross over from ABS-CBN going to GMA, as I was able to represent the province of Tarlac on one of the most prestigious competitions in the national television, which was in Super Sabrina, Anibalaga. And just very recently, I am very much proud and humble to say that I was crowned as your Miss Mandirigma Philippines Tourism 2025. But since this is a battle of 3 names, allow me to carry the image of the young, the fresh, and the gorgeous. Ang babaeng minsan yung minahal bilang si Pinang. Ang babaeng minsan yung minahal dahil sa kanyang 3 bibe. Yes, ako nga po ang nag-iisa, si Miss Erich Gonzalez. Erich Gonzalez na nag-iiwan ng isang kasabihan. Aanhin ko ang aking kagandahan kung hindi ko matitikman ang inyong kapitan. Kap, nasan ka? Baka naman. Kung hindi pwede, siya na lang. Joke lang po. I hope you guys will enjoy the show. And I'll see you all later. Okay, thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, judges, good evening. I am probably wearing right now the festival costume that commemorates the harvest season of the people from the Lanao del Norte that symbolizes the legendary bird, the Sari Manok Festival. My name is Engineer Janelle C. Garcia. 28 anyos mula pa po sa bayan ng Marilao, lalagitan ng Bulacan. I am a proud to be magna cum laude graduate from Far Eastern University and now a certified software engineer by profession. Ngunit isa po sa mga sertipikadong inhinyero ng Republika ng Pilipinas. But since tonight this is a beauty pageant, judges, let me introduce myself further. Opo. Isa nga po ako sa mga baklang nakalusot sa pabilisan ng pindutan. Sumagot sa mga katanungan na puno ng kalokohan. At nagpakita po na nakita ninyo at galing sa showtime. Yes, I'm one of your Miss UNA Intergalactic 2019 semi-finalists. But since tonight I was asked to undergo with one specific personality, allow me to borrow the sexiest vixen of this generation. The one and only Tasha Peña from the Fantasy called Encantadia. Your one and only Miss Solen Yusa. Solen Yusa saying, batid ko po ang ating mga hulabaw mula kanan hanggang kaliwa ay sadyang mga intelihente at mga edukado. Kaya ba't hindi pa po natin ibigay ang isang daang porsyento? Sumak na may tinggan natin ito dahil lagi po natin pagkakatandaan na hindi ko bagayan ang panlabas sa kaaliman at hubog ng katawan upang ikaw ay bilangin na reyna ng Malaya. Sapagkat pag ang puso, utak at bibig na po ang nagsama-sama. May iba pa kaya yung tinatawag ng